Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Math Class. Today I am going to discuss about temperature. So in our mind we thought that what is temperature? If I tell you today is too much hot and today's temperature is 43 degrees Celsius. But don't worry, at night time it will come down to 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. So here I am talking about the temperature of climate. Same way, if I tell you my friend is not well, she is suffering from fever. So here I am talking about the temperature of her body. So temperature is nothing but to measure of degree to hotness or coldness of our body or climate. We usually measure temperature by two ways, that is, one is Celsius or centigrade, another one is Fahrenheit. So Celsius or centigrade we should denote by degree C, and Fahrenheit we should denote by degree F. Temperature we usually measure by the thermometer. The instrument of measuring temperature is thermometer. This is thermometer. In that thermometer we can see two types of scales. One is Celsius and one is Fahrenheit. I already discussed here. Celsius means degree C and Fahrenheit means degree F. So in that scale, Celsius marked as like 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. So 0 degree Celsius means the freezing point of water. 100 degree Celsius means the boiling point of water. So this is for Celsius or centigrade based scale. In thermometer, previously also I discussed that one more scale is there, that is Fahrenheit, means degree F. So Fahrenheit in that scale marked, scale means that thermometer scale it marked like 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. So question is there, what is 32 degree Fahrenheit? So 32 degree Fahrenheit means the freezing point of water, and 212 degree Fahrenheit means the boiling point of water. So from here we can understand that 0 degree Celsius equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, same way 100 degree Celsius equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. only difference there are two different scale, means one is Celsius and another one is Fahrenheit, but the value 0 degree Celsius and 32 degree Fahrenheit both are same, and 100 degree Celsius and 212 degree Fahrenheit both are equal. Now we will learn how to convert degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit, and another way how to convert Fahrenheit to centigrade. So both the way we should know first the formula. There are two formulas are there. We should know first, and using that formula we can convert any Celsius to Fahrenheit or any digit Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let's see here. Now I am going to show you how to convert centigrade to Fahrenheit. I will give example. If I take 26 degree Celsius, how we will convert it is to Fahrenheit. Okay. So here 9 by 5 into 26 plus 32. So 26 into 9 means 234. After multiplication we will get 234 by 5 plus 32. So when we will divide 234 by 5, after division we will get 46.8 plus 32. It will come 78.8, because I will show it here. 46.8, 32.0. So 8, then point, so 8, then 0.8, then 3 plus 4 means 7. So 78.8 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the way we can convert any Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now I will show you how to convert Fahrenheit to centigrade. Formula is different, that is 5 by 9, then take bracket and Fahrenheit minus 32. Here I wrote here centigrade plus 32, but here Fahrenheit minus 32. And also remember that in centigrade to Fahrenheit we should write here 9 by 5, but when we will convert Fahrenheit to centigrade it is totally opposite, means 5 by 9. Okay, so 5 by 9, then Fahrenheit minus 32 equal to centigrade. So I will give one example, then you people can understand it easily. I will take 113 Fahrenheit. How we will convert in centigrade? So 5 by 9 okay. So here 5 by 9, so 113 minus 32, it will come 81. To 81 equal to degree centigrade. 9 divide 81 means 9. 5 into 9 means it will come 45. So we got our result 45 degree centigrade. So this is the way we can convert any Fahrenheit digit to Celsius. I will give one more example to converting Fahrenheit to centigrade. Here I took 36 degree Fahrenheit. So how we will convert that? 5 by 9, then 36 minus 32. 5 by 9, 36 minus 32, it will come 4. 5 into 4 means 20 by 9. When we will divide 20 by 9, it will come 2. We should put here decimal point, again we can put here 0, again 2, then 18. So our answer will be 2.2 degree centigrade. So this is the way we can convert 36 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius, means our result is 2.2 degree Celsius. So now I am going to end my class. If any doubt is there, you can write down your question in our chat box, means comment box. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get all the notification and videos in future. Thank you. Have a nice day.